So we just got your table laid out here, and we're trying to incorporate, because we're doing a manufactured live edge, we're trying to also incorporate kind of the footprint of where you live, like the coastline into the table. So it's really cool because it's going to be a light blue, almost water-like river going down. So just kind of playing with some ideas and how we can incorporate that coastline into the table. So essentially just printing them out from like a Google Maps, and just kind of laying it out, getting an idea of what it would look like on this edge, you know, just playing with the grain of the wood and what's already there. So you're gonna, when you're sitting at the table, you know, hey,
see, that's
right
where
there,
we live,
that's
right
where
there.
we live, right there.
And that's where I'm gonna sit.
So yeah, there you go.
Yeah, man.
So,
So I just want to give that to you as inspiration. Whatever you come up with is what I'm happy with.
Yeah, I think that's awesome.
Yeah.
This is not something that you're just going to have for a year. It's going to be an heirloom quality table. So it's going to be something that you're going to have, you know, hopefully for the rest of the time that you're at that place.
I don't know once we get it in if we'll ever get it out.
I can't say that it will. It's
You're gonna have to take the roof off the house again.
You might. I glued up this section yesterday, just to get a jump on and start the process. It's just a lot of steps in dressing the wood. First, you gotta dig out all the big pieces that you want, lay it out and kind of how you want it to look, matching up grain and different colors in the wood. You also want to, once you get it laid out, you bring it to your jointer, you joint a face, and then you joint an edge. That way you have something square to work off of from that point on. So now the next step is running everything through the planer.